First, you're going to have to download the Stelligent CloudFormation templates from GitHub if you haven't already done so. You go to the repository webpage, hit the copy, go to your command line, and do git clone the URL in a folder where you want it to be created. Next, you're going to want to log into your AWS console, go to CloudFormation, click Create Stack, select Choose File, select the VPC.template, open it, go Next. Then you want to enter your stack parameters, stack name, team or individual that owns it. I usually put delete dates attached to all the objects in case you forget about it, somebody can clean it up or ask you about it. Your remote access, IP CIDR block, if you're not using it, just leave it. I randomly pick a CIDR block for the subnet, not use default in case others use it and they leave default. Then you pick the availability zones, depending on what region you're in. Then you can pick the network ACL rule numbers if you like, or just leave the defaults. Select Next, Next, and scroll down and hit Create. It starts creating it. I went ahead and fast forward through this. Didn't take that long, only about 2 minutes. I had a long list of outputs on the Output tab for easy reference. On the VPC dashboard, you can see the objects created, the VPC, the 6 subnets, route tables. There's the private and the public. You can see the internet gateway is attached to the public, and the endpoint is connected to both of them. Obviously, the internet gateway. You got the endpoint. You got the network ACLs, public and private. For the public inbound rules, I use the AWS Network ACL Basics 80443, and then the range, the high range for return traffic, and the VPC CIDR block. The 2 security groups created is an instance, so any instance in that are full access between each other, and then remote to instance would be for like your VPN users to access the instance. And there you have it. You have a VPC you can use for a lab, or you can leave permanent. Hope this helps, and good luck with your project.